everyone, welcome to the Dawn Kitchen. Today guys, I will be making star apple juice or kamito juice. But before I begin, if you are new here, it's great to have you with us on our journey. If you are returning, welcome back. Please become a channel member. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a video when we upload one. And don't forget to watch the ads in full. We are happy when you join the Dawn Kitchen family. So let's get started. So this is 3-star apple. I'm just using one just to make the juice for you to see. 1 cup of milk. And it doesn't matter what type of milk you want to use. This is an almond milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Gonna be a pinch of nutmeg. And here I have some hemp seed. Honey for sweetening, and sweet milk. Or condensed milk. In Jamaica we call this condensed milk. So whatever amount you want to use for your sweetening, you just use that. But this is like 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of sweet milk. So we're going to cut the star apple, the kamito, so you can see how it's looking on the inside. You don't want to cut long way, because if you cut like this, you're not going to see the star in it. So you want to cut to the stem here. You're going to cut cross and not sideways. So you're going to cut the star apple. Remember, you have star apple and you have star fruit. It's 2 different things. This is a star apple. You see how the vines fit thicker? That show you it not dropping from the tree. I always love star apple, man. It was one of my favorite fruit. So I'm going to cut. You see that? You see it look like the star? And this part of the seed. So this is how the star apple is looking. The same shape like the star. So that's the reason why they call it star apple. So today I will be using my hand blender. You can use your NutriBullet, your blender, whatever you have to blend up to make the star fruit. And you see the knife, you saw it milky on the knife. Look at the knife, how it look milky. Yeah, so it's very juicy. And when you're eating it, this is not the way you eat it. Like if you're gonna eat it, I don't want to cut it like this to eat. You just hold the stem and you pluck it out, and then you hold it and squeeze it out and suck it out. I'm telling you guys. But the seed, you're gonna you spit the seed out. So when you grate the nutmeg, it look like this. So this is a ground nutmeg that we're gonna be using. You have to remove the seed from the star apple. Just use a knife and dig in it, and the seed is out. You see that star shape that it have. And then you're gonna get a spoon. This you're gonna discard this. Then we're gonna get a spoon, and you have to dig in it. So we're gonna dig in the star apple. You're gonna go around with a spoon just to get the inside out. You see all those milky pulping from it? That to tell you how milky and juicy it is. This purple thing here, it's a heart. So it's good. We're gonna use it in the juice. So you see we dig right in it, everything scoop out. And it's like on the bottom look like this. So now I'm just gonna put it in my water and mixer. And I'm gonna use the next half, or I can just use that, you know, because I don't want to make too much. Could just use just that one piece. I think I just use that one piece and just leave back this. So now you're gonna add the milk in. Gonna put the nutmeg. Gonna add the vanilla. Add in the condensed milk or your sweet milk. So I'm setting up the blender. So beautiful people, you're watching the video today and you like what you see and you haven't yet subscribed, please be sure to subscribe, like and share the video. Hit that notification bell so you will be the first to know when D-Don upload a video. And please become a channel member. Be a channel member. And we're gonna mix up now. We're gonna make our juice, right? With my hand mixer, so I have to use my hand to hold it. This is a glass and I'm gonna dip it in some honey. Just turn it around just in both different ways. I want it to get enough honey on it. Finish with the honey, you're just gonna put it in the hemp seed. We are just decorating our glass. Look at the honey running on the outside. So this is our glass, well decorated, right? So now we're gonna put our star apple cabito drink or juice in it. If you want to add some ice, you can go ahead and add your ice. Take the lid out. So we're gonna pour our juice in. So this is it, guys. Our star apple camito juice or drink is ready for drinking. Don't it look refreshing? It's a stamina, it's a booster. It's so good to have early in the morning. It's a healthy juice to keep you hydrated, to keep you going for the entire day. So give it a try. Star apple camito juice. Guys, I'm gonna dive in this. I thank you for watching. I thank you for being here for me. And please remember to let us be our brothers and sister keeper. Let us always give an eye out for each other. And let us always stay positive. Yes, we want to stay positive. Let us always stay positive. Okay? Peace and love. I love you, y'all. And I see you on where? The next one. D-Don say bye. Bye, bye, bye. Love you all.